Why do you use business cards? Probably the person you're meeting, you want him to save your information. But what happens most of the time is that person receiving your card is probably receiving a lot of other cards as well. And your card might end up in the trash can. You might be wondering, is there any easier way to transfer your information when you meet someone? Introducing LinkMyte, the only card you will ever need. And when I say the only card, I literally mean it. Let me show you how. Instead of printing out numerous cards and then giving out to people you're meeting, you just get one NFC card and that's it. Let me show you how it works. You just bring the card closer to any mobile device and voila, all your information is transferred. They can save it on their device with one tap of a button. If you're wondering how is it different than a QR code, a QR code might be a solution, but it's not the easiest one, because when you're transferring information through QR code, you want the other person to open up their camera. But using LinkMyte, the other person does not even have to unlock their phone. You just bring it closer to their phone and they will see a nice little notification, which once clicked will open up your profile, and very easy to set up. Once you order your LinkMyte card, you can fill up all the information using the web application. And the great thing about this card is, unlike printed cards, you can edit any information you want later with a subscription. If you're ordering LinkMyte for your team members, I have good news for you. As a sales manager, we give you access to a live dashboard. This live dashboard allows you to check how many times your sales staff are meeting people. And if you enable the leaderboard, it allows your sales staff to be competitive as well. We're continuously developing this technology to make it easier for professionals to connect with each other. Order your LinkMyte card today.